We thank our brother for having taught us the one of environment. So we look at quickly, we are not going to waste so much time. So we run through this. It's just introduction. I know that we are already tired. Okay? So we just run through the introduction and then tomorrow we start proper program. Is it okay? So I will run through it. I'm not going to waste so much time. So this program we are doing is for rural development in investigating. We have also done this in community primary school at Deva. That was the first place we did what we are currently doing here now. And here we are again in Pasir Omar Primary School. So what we are doing, we are Educational Cooperation Society in partnership with Association Zabaquita. These are partners in Spain. And the funding comes from Deputación Floral de Vizcaya, Spain. The people who brought the money that we're going to use to run this program, to put out this infrastructure, is coming from Vizcaya. And our partners are, like I said earlier, Zabaquita. They are the ones that are acting. I will say that the objective of this whole thing that we want to do about the civics and every other thing we are going to do in this community, the objective is incorporation of civic education program into the official curriculum of schools. Lagos State government has been emphasizing on the word civic education to be incorporated into the civic to the official curriculum of primary schools in the state. They have been emphasizing on this. So that's why we want to do this. And we have already done this, like I said, in Deva Primary School, and we also did it here. And probably this year, and we get more funding, maybe other schools around this Lake area can also benefit from it. Another objective of this is to promote promotion of community development forum to drive the process. We are going to form a community development forum where we're going to select a group of people from the community that are going to help to drive this. People you can call and they are there to work selflessly for the community, for the development of the community, to make these things work. So we are going to fund that, and these people are going to help out in moving this process forward. Another one is facilitation of strategic action plan. These communities, these selected people of city we are going to go are going to have what we call action plan. The action plan is what they intend to do, they say for a period of 5 years, that in 5 years coming, we would have achieved this, and this. So they're going to do what we call action plan. There's somebody that's going last week, we have what we call top training, and that woman is then going to come to do the action plan with the CDF. So with the community and the teachers and everybody, we will get these things working. And what are the activities that we're going to put in place to get these things going forward? If you look at that picture we have, this one is Adeba and this one is your school. Is it not? These are your school children. Those are their pictures right there. So the activities will go this way. We are going to have improved basic social infrastructure. What we are going to do, we are going to renovate this. Formally, we plan to do this. This one that the Coca-Cola is doing right now, and before we start, they have already started. So we ask, what else do you need? And they say, okay, we can build this one and put the nursery school. So we are going to do this. Contractor will soon be mobilized to start this infrastructure. So we are going to do it. We are going to carry it out, and we are going to do it. Another activity we are going to have is we will have a motivated teachers. You people who we are teaching, who are going to be competent, knowing the procedures or transmitting these civic values that we are going to teach. This civic education that we're going to teach, remember we just finished one of environmental. We're going to have civic education, all this. By the time we are finished, you are going to be very, very competent to be able to teach this to the children, to your pupils in class, to your home, to your family members. You would have been competent enough to be able to teach this. We will also have another activity, what we call local group, committed to the incorporation of this civic education in the community. This CDM we are going to form, we are also going to impact the same knowledge. We are going to also teach them this civic education so that they also know it. So that when they know it, they can easily teach it to their children. And their children can also teach them because they have already had the knowledge from you people. People have taught them. And then they will go home and say, Daddy, I have learned this today, Daddy, I have learned this today. And their parents can also say, yes, we also have learned this. So that when a child comes back from school, you don't just go and start eating food. You will learn how to wash hands, you learn how to greet the parents, you learn how to respect the elders, you learn how to do things that are right for children to do. And they would have established what we call done an action plan. Remember the environmental teacher said that you are going to write things down. You have done what we call action plan. What you are going to do. By the time we have finished, we have what we call in-service training for teachers. Like what we are doing right now, what we call in-service training. You would have learned, you would have known, and then you also will be competent to be able to teach the same thing to your students. And how